Hello, my name is Addison Harkness, and welcome to my Des 3 tile mechanic. My tile mechanic is the push block. Um, it works by using the interactable box and pushing the box onto my tile. When the box is pushed onto my tile, it will push the box in the direction of the arrow until there is no longer a push tile, almost like a conveyor belt. So I'll show you how that works in game. My inspiration for this mechanic was the Pokemon Ball Factory from X and Y, uh, with the conveyor belts that allowed the player to move. So as you can see, at the end of the tile we have at the end of this tile we have these pits. My blocks will be able to fill the void so the player can walk over them again. And the way the player wins is by pushing all the blocks across the tile path in the right order, because as you can see, we only have a limited amount of stamina to get to the end. So I'll explain a little bit about how these blueprints work. So for starting, we have my actual tile. So how my tile works is on entered, we have a parent cast here, or a parent reference here, and we cast to the box. We check when it's entered for its neighbors, and then we move the tile to a direction. This is the direction selector down here. We have a push direction variable, and we made the direction instance editable so that I can change the directions of tiles in the editor. This is the pit. This is the logic I use to make the box fall in the pit and fill the void. So we cast to the player, and if the block is not in, and the player has entered the tile pit, we're going to reset the map, so that acts as like the player dying. And if the player, or if the box is in, or if the box is not in, we play a timeline and set the box in by lerping these two locations and to a value of 0.75. And we're going to set the current tile to can enter so that we can walk over the previously could not enter void. And we're going to set the block to in. Thank you very much.